So we are going to combine gesture, shape, and contour all in one drawing. So I want you to find a picture of someone in striking a pose. This one, I'd rather you not use a live model because this is going to take longer than our usual gesture drawings. So find a picture from the magazine of a person in maybe shooting a basketball or hitting a golf ball in an action pose. This is not a lot of action, but at least it's not totally straight up and down. And I want you to start with a gesture, which is what we started with originally. When I took the black marker and I showed you how to do the backbone, the hips, the arms, go to the elbow, put a circle at the elbow, and then bring the next part of the hand, the arm and the hand down. Go from the shoulder to the elbow. At the hips, the knee comes up this way and then back down. And then this leg goes down to the knee and down to the foot. We got the elbow here. This arm needs to come across like this. And she's actually holding a golf club that comes down here. Now that looks a little bit messy, but you can do some erasing if you want to. That's pretty much the gesture. Make sure the backbone is leaning. If the model is leaning, don't make it straight up and down. And most action figures will have the backbone at a diagonal leaning. Then I'm going to use a black marker, but probably this is not a good idea for you because you probably are going to want to be able to erase. I might be able to want to erase too in a few minutes here, but I'm going to try to look at this and draw, this time, a slow contour, trying to get the hair around the head. I'm going to make sure that the eyes are more in the center of the head, not totally too high at the top. The nose and the mouth are here. The neck is coming around under this hair. The shoulders are coming out. I'm looking very slowly around the edges of her, and I'm trying to stay pretty much with my shapes that I already have, but certainly you can make changes to them if you need to. The vest is going to come down and then back up. So you could go ahead and color that in if you wanted to, or wait until the very end. This arm, this hand drops down in here. We don't have to do every finger. It's probably better just to kind of do something quickly that sort of looks like the shape of the hand, but not necessarily all the details. And then have her leg come down, make it a little fatter, give her some pants along the edge of her leg that comes up like this. And then the bottom of this leg can be a little fatter than what you've put on there, so that you're adding a little bit of the pants leg, and then the shoe that comes out. And that shoe needs to be a little bit bigger. I'll put a little bit of that kind of a shape on it. This one I can't see the shoe, but I think it comes out something like this. So I'll go ahead and put that on there. And then the vest comes across here. And so I could maybe black that in and then put in her little golf club down here. And so what you're doing now, you are doing the gesture, and then you're doing the slow contour around the edge so that you're getting the figure to look like this. So try it. Try it one time right side up, and then if you want to turn your figure upside down, and try it again. Do the gesture upside down, and then do the slow contour around the edge, and then turn it around and see, did you do better on this one right side up, or did you do better on the one that's upside down? That's a really interesting project to do, because it's, you know, at this point you're starting to see the edges really well, but when you turn it upside down you can actually see it better. So give it a try. It's a fast gesture, sometimes 30 seconds to maybe a minute, a fast gesture, and then a very slow contour, a contour line around the edge, using your gesture as a guide to go by, but yet making some corrections on it if you need to. Right side up and upside down. See you later.